Crowd's going mad. Yeah, I knew it. Logan Paul. Knew it. Knew it. I knew it. I knew it. Buckshot lariat. So that's why they stomped him. Oh, the crowd booing the shit out of you, Logan. Now locking the cage. Bullshit. No, he's due for the A-Town down. Wow. Down. 1, 2, 3. Knew it. Called it. Knew it. Knew Logan Paul was going to get involved. Ooh. Oh. Stomp. Using a curb stomp. That is so brutal. Oh, dick. What a dick move. Oh my god, what a dick move. Damn. Logan Paul, you piece of... Oh man. Damn. Damn it. Boo. 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 We did it. Seth got screwed. Is he going to face John Cena at WrestleMania? Probably. So that was awesome. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. We're so close to 5,000 subscribers. I'd really appreciate if you subscribe and leave a comment below. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, too sweet. Cheers, guys.
We're on the road to 5K. Join Potato Club today and too sweet that subscribe button.